Hello friends, welcome to you on Delhi IAS. Friends, today is day 49 of my preparation and my goal, that is UPSC CSE 2024, is on 26 May 2024 and days are remaining only 320 days. Okay, so let us see what will be my today's schedule, what I will do today to achieve my target. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. It gives me more motivation for study and to achieve my goal. Okay, so let us see. As you can see, today is 11th July, and but before that we have to see what I achieved from my yesterday's schedule. Friends, as you can see my yesterday's schedule, yesterday something not good thing happened with me. Let us see what happened to me. Okay, so from 9 to 10 I did technique training. Yes, I was doing very nice. And then from 9 to 10, 11 to 12 I did this pre-study of sociology unit 7. I just started and I did only half of that. Okay, then but from 12 to 1 is my lunchtime, but after lunch I got stomach pain, and due to stomach pain I have to admit it in the hospital. And just due to simple stomach pain, the doctor said it may be food poisoning. I got vomiting also. So after, you can say, after lunch I was not able to study till night time, and I was on bed rest from lunch to nearly 6 p.m. I was in the hospital. I was admitted in the hospital, and then at 6 I came to home, took bed rest. Okay, so that's why I was not able to study. Otherwise yesterday I was on a good track of studying. Okay, so what I learned from yesterday's experience, that, as you know, this is rainy season, monsoon season, raining, so this may cause increasing bacteria infection. So please take care of your health. Health is very much important, and for that you must consume only boiled things, boiled food, even fruits also properly. If you are consuming fruit, then give a properly washed food. Okay, because they may be home of several pathogens. So boiled food and washed fruits and clean water, these are some basic things, though I was following the same, but still I need to do more rigorous implementation of the same. Okay, leave it. Let us see what is my today's schedule, what I will achieve today. So I will repeat my yesterday's schedule, that is from 9 to 10 I will do techniques learning, and from 11 to 12 I will do pre-study of sociology unit 7, politics and society. Then from 1 to 2 I will do pre-study of GS2, government policies and role of NGO SSG. And from 3 to 4 I will do pre-study of GS3, internal security. And this is my buffer time from 6 to 8. If anything remaining, I will do that thing during this time. And similarly 9 to 10 it is also a buffer time of 1 hour. Anything remaining I will do during this time. And from 10 to 11 I will do my COB and research and analysis. So this is my today's schedule. Though I am feeling okay, but I have self-doubt on my health, so I will try to achieve it. So thanks for being with me and supporting me and subscribing me. Thank you.